to migrate from Magento version 2 to Shopify. Again, you can use Excelify app, and let's switch to the Magento, and I'll sign into the a demo Magento store where I have set up a couple of customers here, and just to demonstrate how you can migrate them from Magento to Shopify using Excelify. So at first you go to the system and choose export, and here are those entity types you need to choose from. And here in the second Magento version you actually have two files for customers, because for some reason they decided they need to split them into the main file and the addresses file. And so you would need to export both of those files. So first of all, you choose the customer's main file to the CSV, click this checkbox to fields enclosure, and then scroll down and press continue. That will download the first file. Then scroll back up, choose customer addresses, again scroll down, press continue, and that's it. You have now both CSV files here, and now you just zip them into a zip file so that both files are in the same zip file, and you rename it to Magento customers. Basically it can be whatever name, just it needs to contain a name, Magento and customers. And that's why Excelify will know that those are Magento customers. Okay, now in the Excelify app, you scroll down to the import section, and here you press and choose that zip file. It's getting uploaded, and instantly you will see that it was recognized as the format Magento CSV, and it found two customers, and it's ready to import. But you can do a step in between to be able to improve your data quality. You can press this checkbox to dry run, to just generate the Excelify format file, but don't import those customers yet into the Shopify. And now if you press the import, it will just generate the Excel file with human readable customers, which you can then improve. Here's our import results file. We download it, and now let's see what's inside. Right, let's make it fit nicely. And now here is the email, the Magento website, which maybe you need, maybe not, but it will not be that imported, just so that you see what is it. The first name, last name, bunch of information put as tags, including the VAT information and all the gender and such things. And here will be the phone and the Magento phone showed, so that you see it originally as it is there. That you can import the password if you want, put some notes and so on. And here, if you will put true for example like this, to send account activation email, while importing, the Excelify will trigger Shopify to send the activation email to the customer to activate the new account here. Also the same for the welcome email. And now here comes addresses, and you notice probably that here email comes 2 times because there's just 2 addresses for this email, and that's why each row takes 1 address. And here again, notice that this is the Magento address phone as it is written in the Magento. But since Shopify requires you to import all phone numbers with the country international dial code, so Excelify automatically adds your calling codes for each country where they are missing. You see here we have it, and there we don't have it, and that's why we are adding it here. And it takes it from the country code here, like here is Latvia, so it added, and for United States it sees that it's already starting with +1, so it doesn't add anything. Also, it puts the meta fields Here is the date of birth as it is in Magento, and also VAT ID. If you had it, it would be written here. Yeah, pretty much this is how you can like clean up your data, review everything, that everything is fine, and then save this file, close it, and then again go to Excelify app, and this time choose that Excel file which you improved, upload it again, and this time just press import, and in a few seconds it should start importing and should show you how far it's been, and you just wait until it finishes. And that's it, it's done. 2 new customers are created. Now if we go to admin customers, we will see them here. And here, if you open this customer, you remember I had 2 addresses, and here they are. Both of the addresses are here. One with the Latvian phone number, the other with the United States. All the tags are here, and yeah, that's basically how it works. And if you have any questions, open our Excelify website, and of course you can browse around here with a bunch of tutorials and how it works. Definitely read this one, and if you get stuck on anything, just press the contact us page and reach us by the live chat or the email or Slack workspace. And yep, we'll see you around. Bye.